Let's prepare together porchetta, an authentic Italian pork roast. Firstly, we will start by making a brine, for which we're gonna use rock salt and fine salt. To calculate the water, first put your meat that you're gonna brine in a bowl, fill it with water until the meat is covered, and measure the water. Then multiply this by 10% for this type of brine, which is overnight brine, or 20% salt for 4 to 6 hours brine. Then heat half of the water together with the salts, which are calculated. You can add bay leaf, black pepper, allspice, and any other aromatics. Once the salts are melted, put together the other half of the water and then cool the brine in ice cold water. Once the brine is cold, place your meat in the brine, making sure it's covered well with the water. You can place a plate over it. Once your time is over, depending on which brine you chose, 6 to 8 hours or overnight brine, make sure to wash your meat and then just dry it out nicely with 2 kitchen towels. To prepare the filling, in a pan saute in oil some chopped red onions and guanciale. Guanciale is premium pork cheek that is beautiful and it's used in carbonara. Add some fennel seeds and saute until the onion softens. Then add finely chopped rosemary, some white wine, then some chopped dried fruits and walnuts. Saute until nice and golden color. That will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Transfer to a bowl, clean the pan and toast some breadcrumbs, just nice and golden, which we're gonna add to this filling, and as well we will add some grated Parmesan cheese or pecorino, whatever is available to you. Then you have to thin out and make the meat even. With your knife, just butterfly the meat so it makes an even piece of meat throughout. Once you even the meat, if necessary, then rub in some white port just to give some aromatics to the meat. Just test your rolling to see which side you're gonna roll. Then just season with salt and pepper and spread your prepared filling over the inside of the meat, so the fat should go on the bottom. Pour over the rest of the port wine. It's time to roll the pork nice and gentle. This step is a bit messy. This is how your pork should look like. Next, we're gonna get some string, just usual normal string. If you have a professional one, you can use as well. I'm just showing you that you can use this type of string as well. Then we're gonna start tying the meat as I'm showing you in the video. So just follow the steps to make the perfect roast tie. Bake the meat, place few carrots which are peeled already in a tray, score the meat with a sharp knife, oil the whole meat, salt and pepper it as well, put some water in the pan. You can add some port here as well to give some flavor. This liquid later we're gonna use to make a nice gravy. Then we place this meat in the oven to bake. Full recipe and notes you can find in the description. Baking temperature and time as well. So once your meat is cooked, it should reach about 63 Celsius. And then Just take it out on a wire rack or make yourself one with aluminum foil. Put the thermoprobe if you have one and place the meat in a closed with towel over so there is a hole that the steam can escape, and keep the meat like this for 20 minutes just to let it rest. It will reach about 70 degrees at this point. That is how you perfectly rest a roast, so you can have a nice tender and succulent piece of meat. Skim off the fat as much as possible from the juices in the pan and put the carrots and the juices with the bits in a saucepan. Mash the carrots nicely and add some flour to this mixture. Stir this nicely and combine it well. Then just dissolve a few cubes, veg cubes or stock cubes. You can use beef stock cubes, chicken stock cubes. I have a full recipe on how to make vegetable stock cubes. You can check my channel. Then we have to cook this out a little bit, strain it, and we'll get this beautiful carrot jus, beautiful carrot sauce. Then we can keep the carrots from this and serve them on the side as well. Just make sure to check the seasonings and adjust them. Keep your pork roast under some aluminum foil, and as time goes it will be the perfect temperature. About 60 Celsius is the perfect temp to serve it. Then you just have to remove the ropes and gently make sure everything is removed so there are no surprises at the dinner, and cut out beautiful, either as you prefer, thick or tiny thin pieces, and serve those with your perfect garnish. This can be used as a perfect Christmas roast or just a beautiful, nice dinner. Enjoy this succulent piece of meat. It's beautiful, it's tasty, it's delicious. I just want to remind you at the end that subscribing to the channel with the bell button, liking this video, commenting down below, it really helps the channel grow. So please do that. Thank you for watching and see you next time in our channel.